So we've come along to Alton Towers for the opening day, first trip of the season. We're gonna take Elliot into CBeebies, have a look what is actually open at the moment, because I know there's a lot of work ongoing. It looks like they're taking the stage down as part of the entertainment budget cuts. So we'll go and see what Alton Towers has got to offer today, with all the changes that are currently ongoing. Looks like CBeebies has had a bit of a paint job. Looks nice and fresh again. I know Postman Pat is working. We're expecting that to be closed as part of the prep for the roller coaster. And treetop hoppers. So eventually the track is moving slightly, but yeah, it's going at the minute. Oh, the chimney's on as well on Postman Pat. So they're getting rid of the ride, but they've turned it all on.
They're having a ride on Postman Pat. Great family ride. Soon to be gone and replaced by a roller coaster. Such a shame.
Yeah.
You're gonna miss it.
Postman Pat's going. It's going to be a roller coaster.
Elliot doesn't like roller coasters.
And the trip on Bugby go round. Go round the roundabout. Oh, straight on. You ready to go in the space rocket? Yeah. You're going into space?
Yeah.
We're going for a trip now on In the Night Garden. Shall we see if the Ninky Nonk's working?
What's that sound? Can you hear it? What do you think it is? If you know the answer, shout it out. That's right.
I can see it.
We're going to that.
Yay!
Ninky Nonk. Oh no, it's the Ninky Nonk. Catch the Ninky Nonk. Tommy, sit on the floor.
Did you see the tumbly boos?
Tommy, here, it's my nose. Ombly boo, Tommy boo. That's how it goes.
It's birdies.
What? Where?
They're running about.
Behind the ha-hoo.
It's the Hahoos. Ing and oo. Macka, macka, acka, wacka, licka, macka, moo.
Usually at the end.
It's Ickle Pickle. Ickle Pickle, Wickle, Nickle, Dickle. Yes, my name is Ickle Pickle. Ickle Pickle, Nickle, Wickle, Woo.
There's a trip on the In the Night Garden. A constant moving ride. The queue can get quite long on it, but Elliot enjoys it. So they've put a few more tables and chairs in this year as well, so there's more picnic spots. So even with all the money cuts, the big fun Showtime shows are still on. So each one's got a couple of shows today. So you can still come in to see BBs and see the likes of Bing and Bluey. Later on we'll venture up towards Toxicator. Currently it's running between 2 hours and 1.5 hour wait. Elliot's quite excited now. Trip on the monorail.
What? The pirate!
Yeah, there's the pirate one going. We'll see which one we end up on. So we've got the Explorer monorail. Shall we go on this one?
Welcome back. On board your one-track phalanx transportation vehicle. Please remain seated. Thank you for visiting the Phalanx Expo. We hope you share the
That was a strawberry.
of a safe, strong
This one works.
as you can see.
Yeah.
And
It's a runaway mine train.
off we go!
There's the curse.
Off we go! Let me out!
Start your Christmas story with sensational
There's Nemesis.
I will.
There's Toxicator.
and experience family rides and attractions, including the UK's only
No one.
They've got rid of all the cars and all the characters. Got some nice 13 jumpers. It's on the back of the t-shirt. I like that one as well. 20. I like that one. The one at the bottom. Yeah.
Because if we could find a
It's on the jumper. Just the colours. Like the Oblivion one as well.
I don't want the one.
They got some kaleidoscopes. Okay. I know that's down as a shot glass, but that's like an espresso cup. It's odd cup type thing. Snow globe. Snow globe's 12. £6. I like that magnet. I like that magnet, the Alton Manor. We've got a collection of glasses. That's not bad for the glasses. £6 each.
20 for the shot glasses.
For the shot full set. Or you got the bigger shot glasses for £3. Smiler Snow Globe, 25. Oh, it's not just Smiler. Nemesis, Galactica, Wicker Man, 13, Oblivion. That's cool. Cup set as well, 17. Got selection of teddy bears as well. The small ones 18. Alton Towers Resort hanging there. £30 for that. Oh, they are soft. They are really soft. Have they got the Nemesis one? The big ones are 40.
I'm going to send the pictures.
It is imperative that all civilians obey their instructions without question or hesitation.
Here we go.
For observing
Where are we
all
going?
safety precautions. You are now under military jurisdiction.
We're now in Forbidden Valley.
Initiating program Alpha.
From shots of Toxicator onto Heathrow with Toxicator, it is worth keeping an eye because the queue, if you time it right, it's been as low as 30 minutes. You going on Heathrow? Oh. You okay, Al? It's faster at the back, isn't it? Whee!
They're going on Marauders Mayhem. Elliot! El.
You'll be
Wake them up! Get set, go!
Go!
Remember to stay seated and keep your hands, arms and legs inside the bugmobile.
There's so much to do here at CBeebies Land. Down below is the something special sensory garden where you can look for the things in Mr. Tumble's sporty bag.
We'll go on this before they shorten the track.
You see what's ahead? It's the CBeebies Land.
What we're gonna do?
The birds are fast asleep. Shout and clap as loud as you can to wake up the bugs.
Wake up, birds!
Wake up! Well done, everyone. The bugs are wide awake. So let's go.
There's one of the balls from Justin's Playhouse there.
What can you see? I can see all of CBeebies Land. Can you see Upsy Daisy? I don't want to give her away.
There's Upsy Daisy.
Daisy.
Upsy Daisy, here I come. I think that boat stopped.
Ah, there's Postman Pat.
I made a mistake and mixed up all the parcels for Greendale. Would you like to come and join my special delivery service? That would be great. I'll see you later.
And that was our trip to Alton Towers for opening day. It's very cold today. I know that's not Alton Towers' fault. Been quite busy today, but the queues have been yo-yoing quite a bit. Like, Toxicator's been anywhere between 30 minutes and 2 hours.
I don't think that was right when it was 30 minutes.
Yeah.
There's something wrong.
There's been a few rides go down today. We've not been able to do stuff like Hex because that's being closed. For those that use wrap passes, they've changed the system again. There's no wait list anymore. It's supposed to work similar to how Legoland and Chessington do. So anyone that cancels, they'll re-release them. They advised to check, was it 9 o'clock on the day you visit? But still can't get them, so...
I've been checking all day.
Yeah. Most of the day we've spent doing the quieter rides.
It's been alright.
Yeah. Overall, it's been a decent opening season day. We'll see what it's like as the year goes on because there's not as many events this year because they've cut a lot of the budget for that. They've had a bit of a tidy up of the park, painted quite a few things. But yeah, overall, it's been a fairly busy day, but quite a good day. If you like this video, remember to like, subscribe. It's free to subscribe and leave us a comment.
Yeah.
We do try and respond to all the comments, and if you're planning on visiting, check out our affiliate link, which will take you through to the proper website where you can buy some tickets and see the offers. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
I want to take a bath. Bye.